Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we will be talking about the end of the iPhone XS when the Samsung Galaxy S10 gets officially announced in February 2019, which is the month in which it's going to be released. So we know almost 80% of what the Galaxy S10 looks like after various leaks from highly reliable leaksters such as Evan Blass and Ice Universe. We know that the high-end Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus is going to sport an Infinity O display, which means there will be a hole on the top of the display, possibly on the left side. Very recently, Ice Universe retweeted this on his Twitter. He said the Galaxy S10's Infinity O screen laser hole punching tech is called HIAA, which means Hole in Active Area, by Samsung. This is Samsung's exclusive OLED screen technology. Samsung has exclusive technology for a certain period of time. Now, this guy has a reputation to maintain, and I doubt he's pulling this information out of thin air. By the way, hole in active area simply means there's going to be a hole on the display, nothing more. And of course, Samsung is going to be using this technology for a while, which means it's going to be in the S11, maybe in the S12, and so on and so forth, until they master the truly all-screen display. So this hole on the display is almost certainly going to happen on the S10 and the S10 Plus. By definition, a hole on the left or right side of the display is not a notch, and in my opinion, it is a better implementation of housing a front camera on a smartphone in order to give us a maximum edge-to-edge display ratio, which means minimum amount of bezels from all sides. So there's no question that the S10 is going to be one of the most futuristic looking phones on the market, making big notches that drip down from the top of the display rather unattractive and outdated. Would you prefer a small hole in the display on the left or right corner, or a notch cutting into the display from the top? Let me know in the comments down below. On top of that, the front display will also have an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that is going to be more secure and faster than optical under-display fingerprint sensors we have seen so far on phones such as OnePlus 6T. Ultrasonic will use real 3D imaging of your fingers for maximum security and speed. In addition to this, we will most likely see front-facing stereo speakers that will be built inside the actual display, known as sound-on-display technology. A technology that has been officially announced by Samsung several times, both officially and in private meetings. We are also expecting an improved camera on the rear, possibly 3 cameras, which will be a set of a regular, a telephoto, and a wide-angle lens, so you can have more photography options. So we are seeing some truly unique and special features that are going to make the S10 simply a better smartphone than the iPhone XS and the XS Max. There will be more details that will emerge very soon, so stay tuned by subscribing to SAKITECH for the latest updates. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at SAKITECH Online. Guys, for now, have a fantastic day.